And at 8:43 right now, several players on the U.S. women's national soccer team are suing. They are demanding equal pay, and Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm joining us now to talk about this case. It is a first of its kind.
Yeah. You know, this is really interesting because there's been a lot of sports cases where a female athletic coach, basketball, whatever, will say, hey, I should be getting the same as my male counterpart or athletic director. But groups of players like this have I've never seen come and filed an equal pay lawsuit. And generally, the women, the justification that universities have given or other sports facilities have given has said, well, the men generate so much income that they have more responsibility, and so it's really a different job. Well, it's the opposite here. These ladies play the exact same game that their male counterparts play.
Yep.
They are, and for the income level, they're bringing in millions more than the men are.
Well, especially when you get to big programs. For example, University of Tennessee. The women's basketball program there is huge.
It's huge, right.
Now, when you talk about this kind of a case, though, you've got to go to the Equal Pay Act. And how does this impact how it all plays out? I mean, will they get what they want?
Well, this is kind of interesting because they're in mid-negotiations for a contract. So this may actually be part of that negotiation leverage for them. So they can always dismiss it if they get what they want out of their contracts.
Okay.
But yeah, it will go to the EEOC. The EEO will investigate it. They may have 10 months to do so. And if they say, they could either say, hey, y'all need to fix this. This is discrimination. There's no justification. Same job, equal pay. It's for the same job as what the law dictates. Or they may say, gosh, this is a big deal. We just don't know. We can't figure out. You guys go on your own. At that point, the women's soccer players could go ahead and file a lawsuit if they want to.
Imagine the precedent that this would set.
Yeah, it's really going to change things up. You know, and of course we see these usually just from our office from a lower level, whether it's a manager at his shop or anything like that. But all this trickles down to everybody, I think.
Jim, interesting case. We're going to follow it here on Fox 17, and we'll maybe look for more insight from you, and we'll get the results of it for sure.
Yeah, sure. I'll keep you updated.
All right, Jim. Thank you so much.
Thank you.